Welcome to TIS. I'm Ursula and I'm a Future Student Advisor at La Trobe University, and along with my many colleagues, I'm a representative of the Tertiary Information Service.
Not good with any of the course.
TIS offers a fantastic opportunity to launch Year 12 students into the tertiary application process and motivates them to seriously consider their post-secondary study options. As you can see, we're a collaborative team consisting of representatives from Victoria's universities, TAFE and several independent tertiary colleges. The TIS program lasts an hour and a half and is in 2 parts.
Welcome everybody, my name is Mark and thank you for coming to TIS today.
The first 45 minutes involves a detailed presentation. We start by covering post-secondary options.
There are 3 types of education providers here today. There are TAFEs, universities and ITCs, also known as independent tertiary colleges. So we'll have a bit of a talk now and take you through the differences between the 3.
We move on to researching courses.
We like to think of ways of approaching research as the 3 Ps: people, places and publications. One of our current students, Steph, is actually going to talk to you about the research she did when she was choosing her course.
So my cousin studied and worked in marketing.
Then we talk students through the VTAC process. We explain VTAC's role, speak about the guide and go through the steps of putting in an application.
And remember, when you list your preferences, make sure you include your pathway courses.
We also talk about Cs, scholarships and key events such as change of preference. Then to wrap the panel up, we finish off with question time.
I'm interested in studying in Queensland. How would I go about applying for that?
Well, there's actually different systems.
So this is what we call the supermarket session because it gives students the opportunity to browse the aisles and find out about all the different course options available for them. We also encourage students to speak to the tertiary representatives at each stall. Students who bring a list of questions make the best of this opportunity.
Could you tell me what the prerequisites are for an exercise and sports science degree?
Absolutely, I can show you how to look them up.
Do you have any special access programs?
So when do you have your open days?
Do you offer any fashion design courses?
And of course, if one of us can't answer a question, we'll always refer a student to someone who can.
No, I'm sorry we don't, but that uni over there does. Okay, thank you very much. Welcome.
Between April and August each year, we travel around the state providing over 120 of these free information sessions. We understand schools have different needs, so our presentation is flexible. If there are specific issues that you'd like covered, such as accommodation options or student services, we can include them. You also get to choose which independent tertiary colleges participate in the event you attend. Additionally, we can arrange group tours for events held on university or TAFE campuses.
So it's really just outlined the different options that I have available and giving me a lot more confidence for planning for next year.
They told us all about how there's different pathways, even if you don't get the ATAR that you require, there's all the different pathways, and that to investigate, like really go about finding all the options, go online, check all the things. I found that really helpful.
Well, I was really looking forward to coming today because I sort of knew what I wanted to do, but I wasn't exactly sure how to go about it. So I really enjoyed coming and seeing some unis, getting some books, talking about courses with the people, and really just getting a background on the courses that are available.
Melbourne's a bit far away to get to, and so it makes it difficult to get down there and see all the expos and the open days. So it's really good that you can come down and talk to us about all the options we have.
Really can't put a high enough value on it as an experience.
The more students can be informed, the better decisions they're going to make. And I'm sure that this really does help them on the track of thinking about their future, and it gives them focus for the rest of the year.
Thank you for your time. We look forward to helping you and your Year 12s with the application process.